I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Alpaca account is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Alpaca account. Open the Alpaca app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the email linked to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the account settings or payment methods section. This is usually found in the profile menu at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the payment methods section, look for an option to add a new debit card. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your debit card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as this can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your information, click the Confirm or Save button to finalize adding your debit card. You may receive a verification email to confirm the addition. If you accidentally enter the wrong card number, you might get a notification saying the card could not be added. Just double check your entry and try again. I hope this helps you get your debit card set up on Alpaca quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.